Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you add your card details in your Google Chrome. If you shop online and you need to enter your card details, then it might be tiring to add them again and again whenever you try to shop. So, another method of this is to add your card in your Google Chrome, and then whenever you need or require you to enter your card details, then you can simply with just a click can enter all of your card details. So let's see how to achieve this. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Now, as you can see that this is a test field, and here it is requiring credit card number, verification code, expiration date, and card username. So for the particular fields like card number, expiration date, and card username, you can simply use the Google's autofill option to fill these forms automatically whenever you require. So to enable it, simply click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then you need to go to the settings. Once in the settings, you can see the autofill and passwords tab. Click on this tab and you can see the payments method option. Click on this and you need to enable this particular toggle which says save and fill payment methods. Then manually verify every time you pay using autofill. This can be turned off for better security and allow sites to check if you have payments method saved. This toggle needs to be turned on. Then to add your card details, simply click on this add button. Now you can add your card number. Right now I will add some random number from a random card generator site, and then you need to enter your expiration date for your card and also your name. I will enter some random values, and you may also choose to keep a card nickname so that you can easily identify your cards. For example, for this one I will write simply my card. And then once you are done filling all of these information, simply click on the save button. Although note that this card will be saved to this device only and it won't be available to other devices until you choose so. Then click on the save button. Now as you can see that the card has been registered and it is showing here that this card is now added. Now to test it out, let's go to the previous website again, and now if I click on this particular form, you can see that it is giving me the option to autofill all the details. All I need to do is simply click on this toggle, and as you can see that this has automatically filled out the details. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.